Time Minister of the Federal Republic, His Excellency Dr. Iyorchia Ayu. He also worked in with the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of our great party, Senator Wale Jibril CON. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. Don't worry.
My brother will eat alone. You abandon me. You abandon me. Bob. Good to see you, Bob. Bob. No, no, so me and you talk about. Let me go. Me and you talk about.
No, let me they call you.
Ah! No, me. Bob.
I think about the bad boy.
Hey, I know. Good morning. You did the bad boy.
As my colleague Bob Manuel Doku said, we want to read out the names of the national officers elect on the 31st of October at our national convention. His Excellency Senator Dr. Iyorchia Ayu is the national chairman-elect. Ambassador Umar Iliya Damagu is the deputy national chairman, not from Yobe. His Excellency Ambassador Taufik Arakwaja.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.